In this video tutorial, you will learn working on IAS reports and the tools feature of DMA Softlab Radius Manager. Let's start the video.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss and cover all of the pending features of Radius Manager, and further we will do further stuff like backing up and restoring Radius Manager, and we'll discuss about MikroTik and everything else. And one thing more I want to mention here, that guys, please leave your comments rather than texting me on Facebook private message that you missed something like this and that. I remember I missed this feature, the refill one, but I hoped that you guys understood how we can do that. You just need to click on this one, and that's going to do the same thing. Just need to do this and your card is created, and that's just a refill. So next feature is IAS, and let's go to the IAS templates. We don't have any IAS user yet, and IAS is instant access service that is instantly available, and you can understand from the name, like this service is instantly available, and the online time is 10 hours and 15 minutes online time. So these are the templates which are already created, and these are the services which are created under this service. So if you guys completely watched this service section, which has 2 videos, I think you can understand this. These are some other, like you can say, the sub services under this one. Like you can create limited time limit and limited data limited packages under here, and the user which will be created will show under list IAS user, and you can create a new IAS template as well. Alright, so let's go to the reports, and if you click on online Radius user, if you're connected as admin, you will be able to see all of the available or online users with the IP addresses and the caller ID and the AP, which section I missed because I don't have any device of Ubiquiti I prefer, and I requested if you guys can donate me so I can create videos on that, but I don't have it right now. And alright, so here it shows that if you're connected to the Ubiquiti, it will show the signals like user is connected, and these are the DBM DBs and NAS group, first name, last name. These are the information of the user. But when we are creating a user, we need to put that information. So you'll be able to see everything here in the reports. Let me show you. I clicked on online user, and I can see all the details here. If I just click on it, and I'll go directly to the NAS section. If I click on this, I'll go directly to the group section, and I can change the group. If I click on this, I'll go directly into the user, and I can change the password and stuff like that. Alright, and as I'm already in the user, so I want to show you some stuff here. Okay, first of all, if you're using a prepaid user and a user is disabled, how you can recharge it, you're gonna click on add credit, and it will redirect you to the page where you're going to add the credit, where we set if you're going to set the unit, you'll type just 1. If you're going to add the credit, you'll need to type complete amount of that. So the unit is preferred because you just need to type 1. And if you want to change the service, you can click on this and change service, and you can see the service history, like previously what services this user was using, and the list invoices, how many credit has been credited for this user, and and the authentication logs, and traffic report and the connection report. So first of all, I'm going into the traffic report, which is most of the requirement of the people, like how much data that user used in last month. You can see online time, you can see download, you can see upload, and the total. Don't click again on the user, it will go back to the same section. So click on the date, and it will show the year, sorry, the months of that year. It's showing only the October months because it's just connected. I created that 2 days ago or one day. All right, and click on that date, that month, and then it will show the dates, and then click on that date. So you can see here the time, connected, disconnected, connected, disconnected, and how much data it used meanwhile, all of the details. So that is a good, I'll say the best feature of this. So like you can take all the information of every day or all connected and disconnected reports, and if you want to add credit or add deposit, you can do all of the stuff here, and you can disconnect a user as well, and you can delete a user from here as well. All right, so we don't have any registered cable modems, and I'm not going to click on it, registered cable modem, and I don't think that I have license for that. Overall traffic report, you can see find traffic data, traffic summary, connection report, authentication logs, last syslog events, you can see here as well, with the IP address, manager logged in, what happened. And this is another key feature. I'll say that a manager, an admin can see what is going on, like he's doing nothing, but if he's just monitoring these system logs, he can understand what happened, like which user was created, which what was happened, and why a user was who was trying to log in, and what happened. So all the stuff here, last syslog events, and here is the system statistics if you want to see, and it's saying 13 accounts for radius and regular accounts 3, and the card accounts what we created under the cards, and the system information here. It will show you the MAC address which is registered with DMA Softlab, and the company name with which you registered. As you can see, the registration names on solutions, and this is hidden because of some security purposes, and this is hidden too because I don't want to show my license stuff, and other stuff you can see. I don't have that module, and all other modules are available for this one. Alright, so let's go to the tools, click on bulk email. So here is the groups of user, what I shown you when we were discussing about the users. So you can select any of the user, type the subject and the message, and these are the available tags. Like you can type hello, and if you set this one username, so that means it will separately send to everyone, and where a username is John, it will replace first name to John, hello John, and if there is a username Daniel, it will replace with the Daniel. So you can type your message and send to all of the available users available in this group. Okay, and bulk SMS does the same thing. Start radius server does the same. If you see any error like radius server is not okay or disabled, you can stop or restart radius server, and after restarting must click on rebuild client.config file. And if the DHCP server is not running, you can click on restart and rebuild client.config. Sorry, it's a rebuild dhcp if DHCP is not working, if you are using DHCP of the radius manager. But for now, we are using IPs from the MikroTik, so I won't be using this feature, but you guys can use it if you want to do. And with this we completed all of the features of DMA Softlab. And if you guys think I have missed anything, you guys can comment me and let me know if you wanna learn something more what I missed. And further I'll be creating random videos of MikroTik and DMA Softlab. About this DMA Softlab, the main 2-3 videos will be editing and modifying the theme accordingly to your network. Like as here you can see it's showing Zonat solutions. You can modify it according to your company logo. And other thing, we'll be modifying the cards, we'll be modifying the invoices, and we'll be doing the backup stuff and all, and restoration of radius manager. And I'll also provide you guys the latest theme for the version 4.4. And that's it. I just need your support. I just need the views and some subscribers as well, so I can do something for myself as well. Thank you so much till now, as much you guys supported me. Thank you for everything, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.